like I was saying, Brooklyn Heights is where we found the place we're going to live, and we're very excited about it. Now all I need to do is get out there. I am trying desperately so hard to find a job before I go, because I don't want to go out there without a job, ideally, because it's hard to find a job. But anyhow, that's a story for another day. But yeah, New York was a lot of fun. It was it felt really short. Like, I don't know. For me, it felt like on Friday night when we left, like it felt like I just like rebonded with Andrew and with Scott. And then by like Sunday, like I didn't want to leave Brooke, because I love you, Brooke. But I don't know, it just felt like we had just kind of like gotten back into an old rhythm, and you know, I don't know, whatever. It was sad, and it was a really short trip, but I will be back soon, I promise. So yeah, this is actually, before I say what I am here, this is actually, well, I'm talking all out of order. Okay, I dropped my mom and her boyfriend off at the airport today. They are going on vacation for 10 days. And that, the last time I was here, when I was single, because they've gone away since, but I was with my ex at the time, and so we just kind of did our own thing here. But since the last time my mom went on vacation and I was here by myself, that was when we started putting together our Big Deucers trip, which I think is kind of cool. I don't know why I think it's kind of cool, but it just started with boredom and vlogs and all that good shit. I hope I can splice these videos together, because otherwise it's going to be a weird transition. My battery's died on my camera if I can't splice them together. Yeah. So what's up with you guys? Alright, I suppose I should address the topic at hand. Melanie, I hope you had a wonderful birthday at Disney. I know I had talked to you the other night. I seriously, this is not birthday related, because it's just not, but I think your next video, and I've been saying this for probably about a year now, you need to make a Whose Line video. I don't know I have no idea of like the concept of what this video should be, but you need to make one, because oh my god, I've been like, when we were doing the Whose Line quotes back and forth, I would sit there and like crack up, because like you come up with episodes that like I forgot about entirely, and Whose Line is so funny. Speaking of which, Whose Line's on in 18 minutes. And Andrew, I would like to wish you a preemptive happy birthday, because your birthday is tomorrow, which also means, not to overshadow your birthday, dear, but that tomorrow, Andrew's birthday, actually today is actually about this time. 4 years ago, I moved to New York City. And tomorrow, not yesterday, tomorrow is 4 years ago I met Andrew. And yeah, true story. So to both of you, Melanie and Andrew, happy birthday. Hope y'all have awesome birthdays. Or well, Brooke, I have you on my mind apparently. But Mel, I'm sure you had a wonderful birthday. You're going to your little mothership of Disneyland. Andrew, what are you doing for your birthday? School, probably, working. Not much else new with me. I'm working a ton. I was given full time, which is awesome because that's more money for New York. So yay. Yeah. So you guys need to vlog. Brooke, I'd imagine vlogging's hard with cynical Steve hanging over your shoulder all the time. Yeah, Steve, I'm talking to you. Go talk to Alf and Yoda for a second so Brooke can vlog without you making fun of her. That's all. I don't know. I just got inspired to vlog since I've got the house to myself. The house is to me, myself. I hope this is bright enough and you can see. That's why I came in the kitchen. So you could see. So you could see all this beauty that is the end of a wonderful, really long work day and then driving to the airport. Gorgeous. Yeah, so not much going on other than that. Just working my ass off and sending out a billion resumes every day. Got to get to New York. Got to get a job. If anybody in New York, any borough, I'll take any borough, knows of anybody looking for a job. I need to go to bed. Anybody who's looking to hire somebody, not people looking for a job, because I'm looking for a job. If anybody's hiring in the New York City area, let me know. I need a job. Oh, I had to go to bed apparently. So they put like a poodle on this dawn here. Oh no, it's a seal. It looked like a poodle from far away. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like a poodle, but it's a seal. It's a seal. I'm dumb and tired. Yeah, so not much happening here. I don't know what this weekend holds. I know Sunday I'm going to have beers with my friend Jason. I want to go to this fest that's it's like a pumpkin farm, and I love pumpkin farms. I will seriously, the only thing I'll miss about living here, like I did last time, is like the autumn here. Like pumpkin farms and all that shit. I wish I would have them like in New York State, but although Halloween in the Village is way better than any pumpkin farm. There's something on my lens that's bothering me, so I'm gonna poke you. Whatever, I can't get it. Yeah, so that's what's going on with that. I have no idea what I'm doing this weekend. I want to go see a movie tomorrow. I want to either go see You Again, purely based on the fact that it's got Victor Garber, Sigourney Weaver, and Jamie Lee Curtis in it. Because quite honestly, it doesn't look that good. Like, it looks like a very predictable comedy. And I also want to see Easy A, because that looks really good. I thought there was something else I wanted to see, but I guess not. If there is, I just can't remember. So we're supposed to be getting some storms soon, which I'm looking forward to. Because I like storms. Storms are nice. So, yeah, that be about it. So, to wrap it up, happy birthday to Melanie. Happy birthday to Andrew. My brothers turned 9 on Monday, so I guess happy birthday to them. So there's another birthday I'm missing, but I guess not. I don't know. I got nothing else. I'm so tired. I'm going to go away now. I'm going to eat a popsicle because I'm dehydrated, and that sounds like a good idea. And then I'm going to take a shower. And then I'm going to get in bed. Probably watch some Man vs. Food, like always, and drift off to Dreamland. Because tomorrow is Friday, and that's fuck awesome. Friday good. Alright, kids. Y'all have a splendid night and a splendid weekend, and hopefully you get more sleep than I do.
Well, maybe you can. That's not in America. Oh my God, pays attention. Now get your things together.
Yeah. Alright, so I'll see you guys soon-ish. Kinda. Maybe. If you're lucky. Whatever.